Oh
my God.
Yeah.
Woo!
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna watch her throw up all over.
No, we got a very quick down.
How's it going? Major League, how's it going? He's very focused. He's doing really well. Melanie, why don't you tell everybody what our contest is right now?
Our contest is out of these schmucks that think they can eat this 2-pound burger. They're out of their freaking mind.
I am not a schmuck. I'm a female that fucks schmucks.
He's still going. He's still going.
All right. So anyway, back to the. What am I doing? Hosting? What am I?
10 minutes.
Melanie's our host.
Okay. So these little boys are gonna let this girl beat them. This boys versus girl, and she is fucking. She's like 4 bites away from polishing that off. Maybe 5.
Do we think Brew Balls can do it? Check out the plate. Do we think Major League can finish it off?
No, Major League's about 4 bites away too.
Let's go meet our other contestants.
Come on.
Now just can't be in your mouth. Pick it up. Open that throat.
Frank chose the way in which to cut his burger into pieces. I think that might have hurt him. I'm not really sure.
It's an interesting strategy, Melanie. We'll have to figure out if it works.
I did see this.
Take a look at this.
Wait. Frank the Tank did say that he doesn't have a gag reflex.
No.
That kind of gag reflex.
That's what I heard.
Captain of the other team, Jessica, how do you feel about this contest?
I think that it's a close call right now. I don't know who's gonna win. I'd say Brunel was coming in pretty good, but now Regina's catching up, and I don't know, Taleli's got some game on here.
Well, we better go check on Menace.
Yeah, Menace.
That's what I'm worried about right there.
We got our chicken finger girls. They're not in a contest. Come on, host. Let's go over here and check on the other ones.
He's got a coach. Look at it. He's got a coach here.
Menace!
Get that.
You're almost there.
Come on. Get that piece. Get that. Come on. You can't just spread it around the plate. You gotta eat it all. Swallow.
Open it up.
Water.
You are almost there.
Water.
Little water, baby. You're almost there.
All right, calm down on the water. Not too much. Just enough to wash it down.
You're Menace's strategy coach.
I'm trying.
What do you have to say?
I'm trying. He looks like a failure to me. I need him to sack up and finish the burger. Do it. What's the red A for? What's the red A for?
Menace.
Get at it.
What team are you on?
Mark's done.
I am a legend. I will do this.
Yeah! Finish her up.
You have to understand that these people have had some serious fear. He's so close. Look at where he is.
I know. She's right on top of you. She's right on top of you. You need to dig deep.
Let's go over and check on Brew Balls.
Gina's got it over here.
2-minute warning.
Dark horse over here.
Oh, there's a time limit?
Nobody
Look
Look at Brew Balls. How do you feel about this, girl? Yeah, she keeps on eating.
This is close.
More.
Very, very close.
Got it, Frank. You got it.
Major League, how do you feel?
Easy.
Easy?
Do me proud, girl. Do me proud.
Major League feels like he can finish the race.
13 and a half minutes. Ashley, you gotta beat him. He's so
How many minutes right now?
13 and a half.
13 and a half. They've been eating for 13 and a half minutes, folks.
You want one more bite, Ashley. Come on.
She needs water.
Come on.
We might have a winner here, folks. She's from New Hampshire and she don't take no shit.
Coming from behind over here.
Oh my God, we're so close. We're so close. We are so close.
Put it in your mouth.
Look at the.
She's got to
She's got to finish.
God, it's coming back! It's coming back! You got a chance! You got a chance!
Just close your eyes and hold. You guys didn't eat your fries yet either.
That doesn't count.
Mark ate them!
I know, that's why. If Mark didn't eat them,
It wasn't about the fries.
what about the crumbs? I don't know. Is that like a crystal? Like a great
The old 96.
Very close over here. Very close. Brew balls might have it. What do we think, team?
Oh my God.
She won!
Wait, let's see it. We have a winner.
I have to go puke.
Ashley,
No, no,
how do you feel? How do you feel about your win?
I feel pregnant.
How do you feel
Yeah,
about
hold it for 10
Ashley's
minutes.
win? You're second place.
Hey, this is the new Rose Garden record. 15 minutes, 26 seconds.
She's got to keep that down for 10 minutes, we decided.
Yeah, that's fine.
You know what, Ashley, go outside and have a smoke.
No, you got to keep it down until 10 o'clock. It's 9:50 right now.
Oh, good run.
Major League, how do you feel about the loss?
It's not lost yet. There's 10 minutes.
You did a very valiant effort.
I'm good.
He might be.
Holy shit.
Tank,
I
how
tried.
do you feel?
I gave it a valiant effort.
Look at this plate. He did pretty good, but I think his mistake might have been cutting.
Cutting is not good, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to be a cutter.
This is going to be on YouTube tomorrow. Oh my God.
How long do I have to hold it for?
10 minutes.
2 minutes, sir.
Wait a minute, you got to hold it for
Menace,
8 more minutes.
look at this plate.
Watch her go 8 minutes.
How do you feel about being 2 bites away?
I hate my life.